today we are going to learn about some interesting facts in Power Automate. So I want to tell you about how to add comments in Power Automate Flow Actions. So I have already created this flow. This is instant cloud flow, and here you can see I have added some condition here. So for my current location, it will forecast the weather for today, and then it will send me the notification message. So let me show you how to add comment in our Power Automate flow. So you just need to click here on three dots. In each actions there is in the right corner you can see there is three dots. So you just need to click here on three dots, and here is the option add a note. Click here and then you can add a note according to your preference. So let me add here comment today. Sorry, today weather temperature. Yeah. So after adding this comment, you can see the comment will be shown here like this. And let me save this flow. Yeah. So this is the manual trigger. So I can this is my instant cloud flow. So I can trigger this flow manually. So what will happen? It will trigger the flow and it will send me the notification message. Yeah. So now I am able to see the notification message on my phone about today weather forecast. Thank you, and please like and subscribe to my channel.